Taasir Kasturi's Sperm Grow course. Assalamualaikum viewers, I hope you are well. Today I will explain about the course which name is Taasir Kasturi's Sperm Grow course that is offered by Taasir Dawakhana Private Limited. This course is generally prepared for the patients who are affected by the disease male infertility. In today's program, I will brief you about the Taasir Kasturi sperm growth disease, male infertility, how it can cure the disease, male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reason of this disease, indications, male infertility, types and complete detail about sperm quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all, we should know about what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile, and there are several hormones which affect on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin glycoprotein polypeptide hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the anterior pituitary gland and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive processes of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormone levels in adult males are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormone levels in males may indicate problems with the pituitary gland in the brain. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the anterior pituitary gland in males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It stimulates Leydig cells production of testosterone. For males in normal range is 1.24 to 7.8 international unit per liter. If luteinizing hormone levels are below the normal range, it may indicate pituitary gland problem where pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. In general, the normal testosterone range in males is about 270 to 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone level above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Indications: infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Number 1. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, conditions related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environmental element. Type of diseases: where testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it's make a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborns and usually disappear without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of veins within the loose bag of skin that hold your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm diseases. There are 3 types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contain no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms have been able to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes bacteria in semen, blood in semen, and presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Azoospermia is further divided into 2 more types: obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstetric azoospermia is defined as the absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstetric azoospermia is a common urological condition and accounts for 6.1% to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstetric azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of spermatogenesis and is the most rare form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. Oligospermia, this is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other recepts of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. These include the ability to get and maintain an erection, as well as produce ejaculation and orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 millions. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormone level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed through a semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. Reasons: there are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliters semen. If a person is not meeting these given criteria, then is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal person ejaculates, then he has 200 to 600 millions of sperms. If he has 15 million or less than 15 million active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have a formula: 200 by 75% is equal to 150 million active sperm, 200 by 70% is equal to 140 million active sperm, 200 by 60% is equal to 120 million active sperm. Yes, a man produces 50,000 sperm in a minute, 72 million in a day. This sperm gets mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm disease. The Taseer Dawakhana has been established 1946 and you can recover from all their diseases by using Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbal and free from any side effects. Doctor and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctor, state doctor, pharmacist and Hakim. With prolonged research, Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course cures azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, vessel infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, infection, every type of infection, and start production sperms where person and start producing sperms where person will be relieved from all infertility disease. Increase HH hormone level, follicle-stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course highest quality and verified on purity, their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose courses, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improves physical health. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course has some special herbal dose quality is 2 and sexually satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and width problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extract. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potatoes, beans, all spicy foods and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruits, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and make you infertile. So why to do these things? Quit smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health. If you smoke and are considering alcohol, user can affect the health of a developing sperm. If you are planning to become a father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couples experiencing psychological stress had poorer results with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you known person has infertility problems, then come to Taseer Dawakhana and use Taseer Kasturi Sperm Growth Course, which will cure all infertility disease and problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topics and this treatment. Here it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.